Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to the channel. If you are new, I am Amy, and today we are going to be trying out color change vinyl. That's right, vinyl that can actually change colors when it comes in contact with either hot or cold items. Yeah, it blew my mind too. So we are going to be putting that to the test today. I got some vinyl from a company called My Vinyl Circle. They sent me a message, asked me if I would try out their vinyl, and yes, of course, who wouldn't want to try out color changing vinyl? So their information is linked down below. Everything you see me use today was from them, vinyl wise, I should say. First, I want to show you the items we're using. So the one we have here is actually starting out as purple vinyl. When it comes in contact with hot items, it turns pink, and I mean hot pink. And then this one here is white. Looks pretty boring, looks pretty plain, everyday white vinyl, but it's not. This vinyl is actually going to change blue when it comes in contact with cold items. So there is a million different ways you can use it today, and we're going to be putting it on a wine glass and a coffee cup, putting hot and cold liquid into it and watching it change. So hit that subscribe button and let's get going. Now, when you're doing with the color change vinyl, when you're cutting it out, you do want to go to Vinyl Plus right here. If you do it on just vinyl, that won't be enough to cut through. So just do a Vinyl Plus and you should be good to go. Okay, so here it is. It has printed off. We have on this one, we have Rise and Shine, which I'm gonna put on the coffee mug. And on this one, I have Wine Not. So yeah, let's go ahead and see how they weed, because I have gotten pretty used to how easy it is to weed other types of vinyls. So let's see if this is the same. Oh yeah, that's super easy to weed. Not a problem at all. Okay, so that simple was how quick and how simple that was to weed. I mean, super, super simple. And we're gonna take a little bit of transfer tape and go ahead and apply them. Voila, that one is done. Now onto our wine glass. All right, so we have both of our designs ready to go. So now let's test them out. For the wine glass, we're just gonna pour some cold water in there as if it were chilled wine. We'll just use our imaginations there. And here for the coffee glass, I have some very hot water. So let's go ahead and test them out. All right, let's see what happens. Wow, oh my gosh, how cool is that? Look how quickly it went. That one turned to blue instantly. Look at that. You guys, that is by far the coolest. It just changed from purple to pink. Oh my goodness. So cool. So we have a purple to pink changer here and a white to a blue changer here. So I am super curious. I'm gonna dump these out and see how quickly they change back. Okay, so it has been 5 minutes and this wine glass has already gone from blue back to its original white color. So this one here, we had the coffee cup. It is still really warm, the mug, just because, you know, it's a coffee mug. They're supposed to keep their heat. So it's taking a little bit longer to return to its natural color. You can kind of see some of that purple starting to shine through at the bottom as it's changing. But this is so cool. I am super pumped about this project. Yeah, you guys, if you want to check out this vinyl for yourself, I will link the company down below, My Vinyl Circle. Yeah. I absolutely enjoyed making this, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. But yeah, if you give it a shot, let me know what you think, because I thought it was pretty cool. But thank you guys for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more fun videos.